Sometimes you want your game to have a splash screen, or what some of us would call a splat screen, because you're posting paint to the screen. In the older days, before we actually just put images up, I do believe they were calling them a splat screen. So these splat screens were just quick images that came up. Now we've got, load-in screens and splash screens and ending screens. And everybody's got a different name for the kind of screen. But we're just going to make a very simple artwork that's going to pop up. It's going to wait for 5 seconds, and then it's going to go away. And then you get to you go straight into your maze game. So let's take a look at that. All right, so down here you'll see that I've created a load splat, and I have Pygame image load, and I'm loading in a PNG called MouseMaze splat.png. Then I'm going to go ahead and screen blit like we've been doing before, and I'm going to take that load splat and just start it at the 0150, which is about right here. Halfway is 300, halfway up that, so a quarter of the way down, right about there is where it starts. It's going to be 300 tall, and it's going to be 600 wide. So here we go. We're going to look at, then we go and update it so that it actually paints to the screen. Then it's going to wait 5 seconds and then continue to load the level and run the game just like we had been doing previous before. So let's see what that looks like when I hit run. Right there, the MouseMaze splat comes up, and 5 seconds later it goes away, and I'm able to start my game. All right, so you should add one of those as a finishing touch to your video game. Here you go, and I will see you in class.